Hi, my name's Tom, and I just wanted to give you the very first impressions I have of the Linsy Home chair, which I just purchased and assembled about an hour ago. First of all, right off the bat, yes, it's very comfortable. It's only had about an hour for the pillows to deflate. They actually come vacuum packed, and it suggests you wait about 3 days for them to really fill up with air and kind of fill out as much as they can. But it's already comfortable, it's already sturdy, it's great so far. This is the actual chair. We got the dark blue. I'll show you a close-up of the fabric in a moment. This is the back cushion. It's still kind of deflating from packaging, but it feels pretty good. It's actually a very sturdy chair. It's got a zipper in the back that you can go ahead and unzip, and you can go ahead and wash the covers. This is the bottom seat, nice and thick. Again, it's a nice sturdy foam. It feels good. It's still also rising a little bit as it gets unpacked. And then here's the actual chair itself. So the back, 2 brackets that you screw in, hold it on the back, and you can actually lift this out and then move it around and reconfigure it if you want. Now here's the top piece. It's a board covered in fabric. It's fairly sturdy, more of a frame than anything else. I'll take this off. It rests on these 4 brackets. You also install these, again, just 2 screws. Pretty straightforward. This is all of your storage. You put this back on, it sits on those brackets, nice and tight. You have a little handle for popping it out so your fingers don't get caught. These little brackets here are just for where you put other things. So your back can slide into these, your armrests can slide into here. It's very easy, it's very modular, it's really pretty neat. You also get 4 hard plastic feet that you can screw on. Again, just screw them on and screw them off if you want. I would suggest putting on some kind of a little fabric or felt bottoms if you're going to ride them across hardwood floor a whole bunch. But for the moment, this is what comes with it. We're going to use that for now. Here's the back. Installation really is a breeze. All you do is you screw on these 2 little S-shaped brackets. See how they're like an S-shaped? You just screw them on and you slide them into the little slots. There we go, plenty secure. Again, you also have these brackets. You just screw those in as well. And finally, they will also give you 2 little U-shaped brackets. These U-shaped brackets are, if you have multiple seats, you put this between them to kind of hold the seats together to keep them from falling apart. They give you all the screws you need, and they give you a little tool for actually screwing in the little hex bolts. I went ahead and used a drill. It's just faster, but you can just do it all with this little tool. Nice and easy, nothing difficult. Again, I wanted to show you what the fabric looks like close up. As you can see, it's a pretty tight weave. It's kind of a microfiber of some sort, I'm sure. It looks like a denim color. The dark blue looks like a denim color. And if we were to get any stains on this or anything, obviously it does come off the cushions. You can zip them off, throw them in the washer, dry them, bring them back out, put them back on. I have not done that yet, but it looks pretty straightforward. There are zippers on both pillows. So you can see the stitching looks nice and tight. The fabric itself is fairly smooth. It looks really good. It's professional furniture. This is not something that is going to wear out very quickly. We purposely chose some modular furniture because we have a basement with a very narrow hallway and a tight corner. We couldn't put regular sized furniture down the hallway. It just wouldn't fit. So we went ahead and looked for some modular furniture, and this stuff fits the bill. This box that I'm holding is empty right now, but the entire chair that you just saw fit into this one box. I'm not a small person, and I fit perfectly comfortably in this chair. My son is actually 6 inches taller than I am. He fits comfortably in this chair. We all like these chairs. We're probably going to buy more pieces and kind of build a couch in the basement with these modular pieces. So far, so good. They're easy to assemble. They're modular, easy to move around. They're easy to adjust. The color looks great. I highly recommend them. We're going to buy more.